All right, so we're waiting on lunch. We're going to go pick it up here in a minute, but a little side project happening. Well, we're tearing apart the Honda, and we're about to dig into the 6.9. We got a Kubota here that part of the bucket lever, and it was sticking, and we were having issues with it. So Dad has tore this apart, and he found some things. What's this called again?
That's the hydraulic valve that works the loader. And on this particular spool, it curls the bucket and dumps the bucket. The detent spring on the back was full of rust and debris and wouldn't let the detent spring work. So what was doing was when you would curl the bucket back, it would stay engaged and run against the pump and cause the pump to not, you couldn't use the back 3-point hitch or anything else while it was engaged. You'd have to remember to push it back to neutral. But with the detent spring working in there, it will go back to neutral on its own. When you quit curling the bucket, it automatically goes back to the neutral position, which is not curling or dumping.
And it's just some rust built up in there.
Some rust and some debris where it's been setting. And we took the spool out. This is the spool and this is the valve body. And we took the spool out of it and cleaned up all the rust and stuff out of the detent spring.
And he's talking about the spring, which is located
under that, yes.
Under this cover right here. So I missed the spring. I didn't get over here in time while he was cleaning that because we've had multiple projects going. But that's just a little side project on what he's working on today. Something to get our little Kubota tractor working back up to par. So if you have any specific questions, hey, leave us a comment down below. Let us know. We might be able to help you out. Love to hear from you. So thanks, guys.